Hello, my name is Ishan Gwal and I'm a third year BTech Computer Science Engineering student of Bennett University. I have developed banking management system with my teammate Tushar Gupta.
Now I'm going to implement the code. I have written the code in Turbo C++ compiler. On running the code, first comes the information display. Then comes the menu. I have already imported the user details. We can check by selecting the list of all accounts option. Here is the detail of three users, Ishan, Tushar and Ramesh. On going back, we again come to the menu option. Now I'm going to open a new account by selecting first option. I enter the account number, username, account type and the opening amount. Account is created successfully. We can check if the added user is successfully added to the list of accounts by selecting list of accounts option. We can see the newly added user in the list of accounts. Now I am going to deposit money to a particular account. First I enter the account number. Account details of the particular account are shown. Now I enter the amount to be deposited. Now we can check if the total balance has been changed or not. We can see the updated amount. As it was 5,000 earlier, now it has been changed to 6,000. Now again I am going to withdraw money. I enter the account number. Account details are shown. Now I enter the withdraw amount. Let's say if I enter the amount greater than the balance, it shows an error message that balance is low. Now I retry with a different amount. Now we check the total balance. It has been updated back to 5,000. Similarly, we can transfer money from one account to another. I enter the account number. Account details are shown. Now we have to enter the account number to which funds are to be sent. Let's say let's say I enter the amount greater than the total balance. It shows again error. Balance is low and hence transfer is failed. Now again I try the same method with a different amount. Enter the amount. Now account details are being updated. Let's see if the details are updated or not. We can see the account details of Ishan has been changed. Now the total amount has been updated and it is increased by 1000 rupees, and total balance of Alex is decreased by 1000 rupees. Similarly, we can remove an account. Record is removed successfully. Let's check. Yes, Alex has been removed from the total list of accounts. Let's again try the same method. Let me enter an account number that is not in the list. It shows an error, record is not found. We can also modify the details of a particular account. Details are shown. Now I change the username. We can also change the account type and balance too. Account is updated. Let's check. Yes, name, account type and total balance has been updated. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tushar Gupta and I am pursuing my BTech degree from Bennett University in Computer Science. Me and my teammate Ishan Gwal have made a banking management system for our 6th semester C++ semester project. The main objective of this banking system, which is developed in C++, is to provide a flexible solution for banking industry. This system enables its users to open and close the bank account. Customers will be able to withdraw and deposit money to their account. It will also be able to generate transactions on money for customer account. The operations which can be performed by the bank personnel are adding new customer accounts, edit existing customer accounts, list all customer details including their account number, able to generate daily and monthly business transaction report, etc. Following header files were used in this project, such as iostream.h, iomainp.h, ctype.h, studio.h, conio.h, fstream.h. Class user is containing account number, name, deposited amount, and account types. It also contains member functions to display account details, creating new account, and modifying account details. Encapsulation is implemented as the data member, account number, name, deposited amount, and account type are private by default and cannot be accessed outside the class. So here is our class user. We have asked about account number, there is name, there is amount deposited, and then the account type. In public, we have void account display function to display account details. There is then account number and username. There is the void function for new account to create a new account. There is the input for account number, then the specify account type and all that. Then we have void function for modify if you want to modify your bank account details. Then we have a void function if you want to deposit a amount in your account, or a void function to withdraw your amount if you want to withdraw any amount from your account. And then there is this void function for account report to display your details your account details. Then we have the return function for your account to display your account number, and return function for to display return deposited amount, and return type to account type. We have implemented file handling and error handling. File handling is implemented to maintain a record of users in a binary file. Operations such as account creation, modification, deletion, and transaction is implemented with the help of file handling. Error handling also implemented to display error if file does not exist or if file is not found at the specified location. Then we have used void write function to create a new account and write it to the binary file. Then here is this void show function to read details of specific user and display account details. So here in this we'll check if the file exists, and if the file doesn't exist then the error message is displayed. We have used the basic error handling here. We have used void modify function to read details from file to modify account details and write back to file. Here is this void delete function to read details from file and delete account details. Then we have used this void show all functions to read details of all the users from file to display. Then here we use the void function for transact to perform all the transaction operations. Switch case is used to select different operations. In case 1, it implements deposit operation and writes the updated amount to the file. Then case 2, it implements withdraw operation and writes the updated amount to file. We have also used a loop where if the withdrawal amount is greater than the deposited amount, then an error message will show. Then in case 3, it implements the transfer of amount from one account to another account. Then at last there is void function for menu to display menu functions such as to open a new account, to deposit money, to withdraw money, and to remove an account, to modify details of an account, and at last exit. Then there is the last void function for the info to display developer details. Coming to the main function, do while loop is implemented to display the menu and take input again and again until exit is not selected. We have implemented if else if ladder to check and perform the desired option. This loop will run until the user exits the loop. Thank you.